Bore da pawb, a chroeso I sesiwn newydd Ffit and Pimp yn y Gwyliau Haf. Good morning everybody, welcome to a new Ffit in 5 session for the summer holidays. We're going to bwrw tair sesiwn wythnos dros y Gwyliau Haf. We're going to hit 3 sessions a week over the summer holidays. So os yw pawb yn cofio'r rheolau, digon o lle, make sure you've got enough space. Cofiwch bod botel o dŵr gyda chi. Remember you've got a drinks bottle with you or a water bottle. Ni'n mynd I cael 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises, munud ar pob un, cloc yn dod. Now, clock's ready. The clock lan fan hyn I chi. A bydden ni'n barod I fynd and we'll be ready to go. So ni'n twymo lan, na I siarad trwyddo'r 5 gweithgaredd. I'll talk you through the 5 exercises a bydden ni'n barod I fynd. Yw pawb yn barod. Ni'n dechrau twymo lan. Start jogging up, dechrau jogo ar ysmotin. We're going to start jogging on the spot. Bant ni, da iawn. A mwy gyflym. Bit faster. Cofiwch bod y brechiau'n symud. Remember to move your arms. A mwy fast to. Could you go faster again? Da iawn chi. A really fast. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Na ni codi penliniau a mas. Lift your knee. Bring it up to the side. Da iawn chi. Lan a mas i'r ochr. Up and out to the side. Da iawn. Unwaith eto. Once more. Da iawn. Brechiau rownd. Start moving your arms in circles. Da iawn chi. Bach mwy. Da iawn. A ni'n toen. Mae'n tywydd yn neis mas to fas. Felly, 5 gweithgaredd, 5 exercises. Rhif 1, rhedeg ar ysmotin, running on the spot. Rhif 2, night siren, star jumps. Rhif 3, ni'n mynd on mynydd, we're going to do some mountain climbers. Rhif 4, coesau sisiwn, scissor kicks. A rhif 5, rhedeg yn 2 cam. We're going to do the 2-step dash. Pawb yn barod. Give me dechrau'r cloc. 3, 2, 1, rhedeg ar ysmotin. So we're going to run on the spot. Cofio bod y trad yn dod off y llaw a bod y brechiau yn symud. Okay? So nice feet off the floor each time. Make sure we're moving our arms, okay? Dim rhy fast i'r bit gyntaf, not too fast for the first one. Now ni cyflymu i'r ail session. We're going to speed up for the second one, okay? Just cadwch rhythm in. Bwmso neis, a nice little bounce as we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on, break back. Da iawn chi, 10 eiliad. Tro ma, bach mwy gyflym. This time, a little bit faster, okay? 3, 2, 1. Bant ni. This time, a little bit faster. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch bod y trad yn dod off y llaw. A bod y brechiau yn symud. Okay, so we're going a little bit faster this time. Feet are still coming off the floor. And we're still pumping our arms. Hanner ffordd trwyddo'n barod. Da iawn chi. Cadwch fynd. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. A cymrwch brec bach. Amser cael diod. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch, os ydych chi'n wylio I gwasgu'r thumbs up. Facebook neu YouTube, gwasgu'r thumbs up, gweud bod chi'n gwylio. Nesa, night siren, star jumps. Okay, yn gynta, rhythm bach neis, a ail un, ni'n mynd I cyflymu lan. Okay, so star jumps, a nice rhythm to start with, and then we'll speed up. Pawb yn barod. So mas, mewn. Mas, mewn. Out, in. Okay, get a nice rhythm going, and we'll speed up for the second set of star jumps. Make sure bod chi'n syth, a bod chi'n mas. Nice and straight, and we stretch out. Da iawn chi. 10 eiliad I fynd. 2, 1. 10 eiliad o goffwys. 10 seconds rest. Now ni'n mynd I gyflymu. Now we're going to speed up, okay? Ni'n cofio sut I wneud night siren. Bant ni. So this time, we're going to do a bit faster. Keep that nice rhythm. And we're going to speed up, okay? Da iawn chi. Cadwch yn adl, keep breathing, keep jumping. Da iawn chi. 3, 2, 1. A cymwch diod bach. Have a little drink. Mlaen i'r trydydd gweithgared. Third exercise coming up. Trydydd gweithgared yw dringo mynydd, mountain climbers. Chi'n cofio? Chi'n codi'r trad ma a braich yma. Bod nhw'n gwrth erbyn, okay? So this leg and this arm, and then switch. So we're doing opposites, okay? Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1. Bant ni. Okay, mae penni'n yn codi a mae braich yn dod lawr. The knee lifts up and the arm pulls down. Edrych fel bod ni'n dringo mynydd go iawn. Like we're climbing a mountain. Why they're called mountain climbers. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch bod y penni'n yn dod lan yn uchel neud. Knee comes up, nice and high. Da iawn chi. 3, 2, 1. 10 eiliad. Shake up popeth off. Shake it off. We're going at the mountain climbers again. Chi'n barod? 3, 2, 1. Bant ni. Dim symud rhy gyflym dy hyn. We're not going to speed up too much on this one. Ond ni'n cadw y penni'n yn uchel neis. Going to keep the knee nice and high, okay? Not going to speed up too much. Ni'n bron at top y mynydd now. Nearly at the top of the mountain. Cadwch fynd. Llain y 10 eiliad. Da iawn chi. 3, 2, 1. A cymwch diod bach. Da iawn chi. Mlaen i'r gweithgared nesaf yn barod. Hedfan drwyddo. Rhif 4. Coesau sisiwn. So ni'n gogledd ar y llaw. We'll lie on the floor. Coesau lan. A wneud sharp sisiwn. We're going to do scissor legs with them. Pawb yn barod, okay? So 5 eiliad I fynd. Pawb lawr y llaw. Down we go. 3, 2, 1. Gogledd lawr. Coesau lan. Ni'n agor mewn a mas. Bel para sisiwn. Okay, so nice and flat. Legs in the air. And we're opening and closing like a pair of scissors. Da iawn chi. Hanner ffordd trwyddo'n barod. Da iawn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cymrwch brec bach. Eistedd lan os chi moyn. Cael diod. Ond gorwedd nôl lawr de. Ni barod I fynd. 3, 2, 1. Bant ni. Coesau lan. Agor mewn a mas. Da iawn chi. In and out. Just like a pair of scissors. Os chi moyn cael rest bach, chi'n plygu coesau. Ond os chi'n barod I fynd, ni cario ymlaen, neu coesau sisiwn. Keep on doing them. 10 eiliad I fynd, only 10 seconds. Da iawn chi. 3, 2, 1. A lan na chi. Da iawn. 1 gweithgaredd I fynd. Cofiwch cael diod bach. Gweithgaredd olaf. Last one. 32 can. 2-step dash. So ni'n dechrau nôl. We're going to start back. 30 mlaen 2 can. Cyffodd a llawr. 30 nôl 2 can. Okay, start back. Forwards 2 steps. Touch the floor. Backwards 2 steps. And we're going to go backwards and forwards. Nôl am lan. Pawb yn barod. 3, 2, 1. Bant ni. So 30 mlaen. Cyffodd a llawr. 30 am nôl. Cyffodd a llawr. Mlaen. Na fe. Nôl. Okay? So we're going to run forward. Touch the floor. Run backwards. Touch the floor. Forwards. Backwards. Da iawn chi. Cariwch mlaen. 10 eiliad I fynd. 10 seconds to go. Da iawn chi. Mlaen a nôl. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1. Cymrwch brec bach. 1 sesiwn I fynd. 1 more session to go. Ni'n neud hwnna eto. We're doing that again. A chi'n cyflymu os chi moyn. Go a little bit faster. Bant ni. So mlaen. Llaw. Nôl. Llaw. Mlaen. Llaw. Nôl. Da iawn. Forwards. Touch the floor. Backwards. Touch the floor. Forwards. Touch the floor. Backwards. Keep going. Da iawn chi. Os chi moyn mynd mwy gyflym, now. If you want to go faster, last 10 seconds. Da iawn chi. Cariwch mlaen. 3, 2, 1. A stopwch fyna. Da iawn chi. Cofiwch cymryd dŵr mlaen. Well done. Take some water. Da iawn. Sesiwn gynta y gwyliau wedi wneud. First session of the holidays done. Ni'n mynd cerdded rownd. Just have a little walk around. Gweithio'n galed bore yma. O'ch chi'n meddwl bod chi'n cael gwyliau hawdd. Neu dim byd. You thought you were in for an easy holidays. Ond ni'n mynd i wneud tair sesiwn wrth nos. 3 times a week. Pob bore dy llun. Pob bore dy Mercher. A pob bore dy Gwyliau. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 9:30 in the morning. Un lap to cerdded rownd. One more little walk around lap. Gobeithio nawr. Bydd hawl ni dechrau dod a bach o offer mewn i'r session. So we hopefully now can bring some equipment into these sessions. So erbyn bore dy Mercher, bydd isau pêl arnoch chi, okay? You can need a ball on Wednesday. Dim ots, we can have one this size, un maint yma, un bach yn llai. So maint pêl tennis, a cricket ball or tennis ball size. Neu os chi moyn cael pêl drod falle, or even a football size one, okay? Dim ots, os chi'n mewn ti fewn, you defnyddio'ch pêl meddal. If you don't have a ball, okay? Bydd unrhyw beth bych chi'n gallu taflu a dala yn iawn. Anything you can throw and catch is also fine. So, papur tŷ bach, sanau, okay? So you can roll up some socks, or you could use a toilet roll. So just a heads up, you'll need that for Wednesday. This is rhywbeth fel la arnoch chi dydd Mercher. So gobeithio bod pawb wedi mwynhau. Cofiwch tudalen YouTube a tudalen Facebook mae fideos ma'n mynd mlaen. Tair gwaith yr wythnos, a chi'n misio fe'n fyw, a chi'n ail gwylio fe a tudalen YouTube. If you've missed the live session, don't panic, you can re-watch it on YouTube. Plus, all the old Ffit in 5 sessions back from last spring are still on YouTube as well, if you want to watch one in the days where we miss out. Cofiwch bod hen fideos dal lan on YouTube os chi moyn gwylio nhw a diwrnodau ni ddim yn fyw. Ond am heddi, diolch yn fawr am gwylio. Thank you for joining in. Gobeithio bod chi'n cael diwrnod y llun bach, diwrnod gynta gwyliau a bod chi'n mwynhau. Hope you have a really good first day of the holidays in the sun. Diolch yn fawr, hwyl fawr.